how to fix location service on iOS devices. Now, if you're trying to fix location services on iPhone 16 or later, or even that particular series, it's very simple. First, we open up settings and we go through these different options. The first thing and foremost we do is go to privacy and security. There you can see option called location services. Make sure to turn on location services if you've been trying to enable it. After that, even if you've enabled location services, a certain app is not using a location, well, you have to allow that app to use the location services. So simply look for the application that you want to share your location with and tap on while using the app. You can also try to turn on precise location to see if that actually helps you. Now, this would normally solve the issue, but if you're still not being able to do so, just open settings and go back to general, scroll down and tap on transfer or reset iPhone, tap on reset, then tap on reset location and privacy setting that you can see there, and that would most likely help you solve the problem as well. So I hope the video helped you. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thanks for watching and see you soon in the next video.